Sounds good. Sorry, it's a little hard to hear you.
Oh, no worries. So you don't have a plate on your motorcycle?
Yeah, I forgot to put it on after track day.
Okay. All right. You have a license, registration?
Yeah, sure do. Reach for it.
Yeah,
My
good,
jacket.
man. Where do you keep it at?
Inside my jacket.
Okay.
There's that to start.
Do you still have Geico?
Yep.
This one shows expire in August.
Yeah, I got the new one probably then. Hold on.
Through Geico?
Yeah. That policy hasn't changed. You might be able to see it on this side better. It's right here. Right there.
Make sure it matches up with your
Right there.
registration card. 4187.
Appreciate you checking that.
Huh?
Appreciate you checking that. All the stolen bikes out there.
Yeah.
There's a chance I have my plate in my backpack. I don't know where I put it after I took it off.
How far are you traveling?
Home in on the address on there.
Okay.
She'll be wondering why I'm late. I might as well.
No worries. It's up to you. I would suggest if you do have the plate, throw it on there.
Yeah, I do. I gotta track it down.
Okay. If it's in your backpack, because if you have to make it out to you might get stopped again.
Okay.
We have a lot of stolen motorcycles.
Yeah, perfect.
So that's probably, yeah, but it's up to you if you're gonna put it on or not. You're an adult.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, man.
Have a good one.